Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to create Instagram business account. To do it, so you actually want to make sure to go ahead and open up your Instagram application. So here what you could do is you could actually turn your personal account to business account, or you could just go ahead and create a fresh new account and then switch to a business one. So what you need to do is on this fill you actually want to go ahead and open your app and click the profile initials from the bottom of the page. Next, you want to tap on the menu bar or the tab bar from the top of the page, and here you want to scroll down a bit and you want to go ahead and look for account types and tool. Here it is. After which you simply want to go ahead and click on switch to professional account. You want to do that, and then you want to go ahead and click on access and slide, or then you want to click on next. As you've actually done it, so what you need to do is here you want to go ahead and select it. So once you've actually done it, so click on switch to professional account. Now then just go ahead and follow on the on-screen prompt, and once you've actually done it, so select business, click on the next button, and then you want to go ahead and add in the phone number, all that, and then click on the next button. As you've done it, so you then need to go ahead and connect it to Facebook, or maybe you could skip that part as well. Now you want to go ahead and click on get verified, or maybe if you don't want to do it, so you want to just click on the complete button or complete your profile, and then you could go ahead and add in your information, all that. And this is how you could go and create your Instagram business account. So this is the simplest way. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.